Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into the basics of combinatorics. Our main focus will be on understanding the difference between permutations and combinations. Think of it as arranging versus selecting. For permutations, the order of items matters, whereas for combinations, the order doesn't matter. So, what exactly is combinatorics? It is the branch of mathematics that deals with counting, arranging, and selecting objects from a finite set. In simpler terms, it helps us answer questions like how many ways can we arrange items, or how many ways can we select items. First, let's talk about permutations. Permutations are about arrangements where the order is important. The formula for permutations is P of n, r equals n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, where n represents the total number of objects, and r is the number of objects we want to arrange. For example, if you are creating a 3-digit password using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the order matters. So 1, 2, 3 is different from 3, 2, 1. Let's work through the password example step by step. We want to create a 3-digit password from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Using the permutation formula, P of 5, 3, equals 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, which simplifies to 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 5 factorial is 120, so we have 120 divided by 2, which gives us a final answer of 60 ways to create the password. Now let's discuss combinations. Combinations are about selections where the order doesn't matter. The formula for combinations is C of n, r equals n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial, where n is the total number of objects, and r is the number of objects we want to select. For example, in a lottery where you pick 3 numbers from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the order doesn't matter. So the set 1, 2, 3 is the same as the set 3, 2, 1. Let's look at the lottery example step by step. We want to pick 3 numbers from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Using the combination formula, C of 5, 3, equals 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial, which simplifies to 120 divided by 6 times 2, which is 120 divided by 12. The final answer is 10 ways to pick the numbers. Let's summarize the key differences between permutations and combinations. For permutations, order matters, meaning A, B, C is different from B, A, C. Permutations deal with arranging items, and the formula is P of n, r equals n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. On the other hand, for combinations, order doesn't matter, so the set A, B, C is the same as the set C, A, B. Combinations deal with selecting items, and the formula is C of n, r equals n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial. Finally, let's explore some real-world applications of permutations and combinations. Permutations are used in passwords, seating arrangements, PIN codes, and race rankings. Combinations are used in lottery numbers, team selection, pizza toppings, and card hands. Understanding these concepts can help in various fields, from computer science to everyday decision-making. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.